Hello everybody, it's Jennifer.
And Claire.
Super pumped. Claire was gifted these markers. You know my girl Claire, you know she loves a craft, she loves some art. So let's check these out. Zips the whole way around, nice fabric. Open it up and oh, there it is. You get 24 different colors, 24. 2 different sides. These are nice and snug in here, which is great. So you get a fine tip and a larger tip as well. Claire, do you have anything you'd like to say about these markers? Okay, she has spoken. I love it. These are special markers because they are acrylic. I'm going to show you one side and then the other. That means that you can use these on all the surfaces, glass, metal, plastic, wood, and it is going to stay. There is no odor with these, 0. The caps stay on amazingly well. They really just snap on there. You can also use this on canvas. Like I've seen some girls make tennis shoes fancy with these markers. So we are going to take a close-up look at these waterproof acrylic markers. We are loving them so far, so definitely check them out. These 24 acrylic paint markers are great. Again, they have a dual tip, fine tip on one side and brush tip on the other. Perfect for stone, wood, canvas, ceramic, metal, glass, rock painting. You name the DIY craft, these will work. I do love that the caps are so tight fitting. The case is amazing. I love that the case has an elastic for each of the markers so they stay put, and the case has the zipper to keep everything in. You can really unleash your creativity. You can also get the larger set, so definitely check that out. Perfect for calligraphy, fast drying. I'm loving them, and you can see Claire is using her imagination. Definitely check these out.